Forum for African Educationalists Kenya koriwore kod 10 piny owacho gi riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho ochako chenro mar kedo gi iye momondo kod kech mabiro chon e kaunti ma Migori. Chenro no itayo e kauntis 20 e tudruok gi Mastercard Foundation gi chenro mar imarisha msichana projects kigeto jopuonj gi jopuonjre e skunde mag primary to gi secondary. County Commissioner ma kaunti ma Migori Michael Meru gi jatend migawo mar somo e kaunti no Jacob Onyego olero ni tend kaunti no oriwo chenro ma kedo gi timbe marocho som nyithindo e kaunti no.
Stopping the early marriages amongst our teens. One unique thing that we are bringing in the ground is one, like for today we had the stakeholders coming together. We want to work with every stakeholder, be it in education, be it in Ministry of Health, be it from the community level, the chiefs, the gatekeepers, the law enforcers, so that we eradicate this problem once and for all.
And as we work through under this program with other stakeholders, of course we know we shall be able to come up with many other solutions that will be able to assist our girls and our society in alleviating cases of teen pregnancy and early marriages.
Ramogi.